Hey friends, this is Nitin Chaudhary here. I am representing my brand Nfix. We have started this journey as Anantam Impacts in 2016 and rapidly growing now. Basically, we are a manufacturing company manufacturing nylon cable tie and hot melt glue stick. Our nylon cable tie is widely used in bundling cables and many more applications. Our cable tie is used in power sector, electronic industry, electrical industry, agriculture industry and many more. We have wide range of cable tie in size and type, like we have UV cable tie, black, any color cable tie, as well as heat resistance, heat retardant. There are many another types of cable tie also available. As far as our future plan is concerned, we want to expand our manufacturing facility up to 70% in coming 2 years and wanted to be the India's largest cable tie supplier. I have been visited NG Expo many times and find a big crowd there. That's why we have decided to participate in NG Expo, and finally we did it and find a very tremendous response in NG Expo.